Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Baroness von Bonbon from Cuphead. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the brow. Starting in the center, we're going to draw a short line coming down the middle. From the center, we're going to curve down and up on the left side. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's work our way to the top of the brow. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up. And we'll hook that down on the left side. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up and then hooking that down. Now we're going to tuck two ovals underneath the brow for the eyes. Starting at the top of this curve, we're going to go around, down to the bottom, and then we'll pull that up towards the bottom curve of the brow. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to push the pupils and iris in towards the center. So start at the top here, curve around, and pull that in. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to push the pupils on the inside, but we're going to add a notch on the left. Starting at the top, we're going to curve around. Now right about here, we're going to add the notch, coming in and then back out. We'll curve down and in towards the inside of the eye. Now on this side, the notch is on the inside. So we're going to start here, draw in that notch. We're going to curve down to the bottom. I'm just going to round this out and pull that up towards the top. We're going to fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down in the center and draw in the heart. From the center, we'll draw a point. From this point, we'll curve up towards the left, round it out. Now we're going to pull this in towards an angle towards the center. Do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top, curve around the top of the heart, and pull it in towards the middle. Now we're going to draw the large bun in the center of the forehead, but because she's facing forward, it's going to look like a large oval. So starting up above the left eye, we're going to draw a half circle. Coming down the middle, and back up on the right. We're going to go straight up the sides. Bring that up to the same height. Now we're going to cap off the top with another half circle, going up and then down on the right. Let's draw on the side of the head. So just on the side of the bun, curve around the eye, and then we'll pull that in. Now let's draw on the bottom of the head. At this point, we're going to bump out the cheek. I'll pull this in underneath the heart, and we're going to work our way back up towards the right side. Now we're going to add in the hair. About halfway down the bun, curve out towards the left. I'm just going to pull this in, aiming towards the cheek. We're going to leave a little space on the side. Now we're going to do an overlap. So stepping out, we're going to curve up and out towards the left, round it out, and pull it in behind the cheek. Now we're going to add the cone hat over towards the left side, so in a tilt. So we step up towards the top, draw a straight line coming down towards the top of the head. Now from the top, we're going to angle down in behind the bun. Let's add some cross hatching. So up at the top here, we're going to angle down, and then we'll go up again just below it. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction, just overlapping these lines. Let's add the feather along the top. From this top point, we're going to curve up and then down. Go back to the top point. We're going to curve down the inside of the feather. Now let's draw on the bottom. From this point, we're going to step up, draw a circle, going around, and we're just going to stop right about here. We want to create an overlap. So stepping back, draw another half circle, step back down again. Now we're going to pull this all the way around in towards the stem of the feather. On the side of the head, we're going to add some lashes. So on the left, we're just going to draw a curl going up. We're going to draw this 4 times on either side. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the bottom. I'm going to start with the neck. We're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left side, I'm going to curve down and out. Go back to the top, we'll come down and out towards the right. Now we're going to draw 2 angled lines coming down towards the hip. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw on the top of the dress. From the shoulders, we're going to step down, go up, and then down. We're going to add some stripes going across. From the top, we'll angle down towards the left. We're going to step down and draw that twice. And we're going to add one more stripe along the bottom, going up. Now let's add some vertical lines. From the top, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. We'll add one more on either side. Now we're going to add 2 ovals on the shoulders for the shoulder sleeve. From this point, we're going to step in, go up to the top of the oval, down, and we're going to pull that in behind the body. Now we're going to go in and draw on the dress. So from the hips, it curves out and then down, but we're going to add some frills along the way. From the left hip, we're going to curve out and then down. Now let's add the top of the frill. Starting from this point, we're going to just draw a wave, going across and up, all the way towards the end. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the frill. So from here, we're going to step up, curl around the end, and we're just going to follow this wave all the way towards the right side, and then pull it in behind the dress. Let's continue this curve in behind the frill. Come down. Now we're going to do the same thing. Starting from this point, we're going to draw a wave going all the way across. And then again, from this point, we'll step up, curl around, just follow that curve just below it, and curl it around on the end. Now we're going to do this one more time. Just continuing this curve all the way down towards the bottom of the dress. And we'll add one more frill. And then from here we'll step up. Again, following the same curve all the way across. On the left side, we're going to have her holding her cane. So let's start with the upper arm. Starting on the side of this oval, we're going to curve down and out towards the left. We're going to step down, just follow that same curve, going in towards the elbow. Let's connect those 2 points with a curve. Now we're going to draw an oval in behind the end of the arm. Stepping back, just tuck this in behind the arm. Now we're going to continue the curve of the arm going towards the wrist. Starting with the top, and then the bottom. From the top of the wrist, we're going to add the thumb. We're going to curve up, down. Now we're just going to hook this back up and in. We're going to stack the fingers in behind the thumb. So on the outside, we're going to draw a half oval going out and then in. At the bottom of this finger, we're going to draw another one going out, in, and we'll just tuck this in underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time. Now from the inside of this finger, we're just going to hook back up and towards the inside of the wrist. Let's add in the cane. So we start with 2 lines along the top. Starting up here, we draw a straight line coming down in behind the fingers. Do the same thing on the inside. We'll continue those 2 lines below the fingers. Going down. Now we're going to cap off the bottom with a slight curve. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the end of the cane. From the inside, we're going to curve around and then just hook that back down. Let's go to the outside. Just follow that same curve going around, and we'll cap off the end with another curve. Let's add the stripes in the cane. Starting up here, we're just going to angle down and in. On this side, we're going to go in the opposite direction, going up. We'll step down. We're just going to repeat this angled line all the way across the cane. Now let's move over to the right and draw on the right arm. We're going to start right beside this oval, curving down and out towards the elbow. We're going to step down again, draw that same curve going out. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. And then again, we're going to add the oval in behind the end of the arm. Stepping back, go up, round it out, and then pull that back up. Now here we're going to bend the arm coming down. Starting right here, we're going to curve down and out, go to the top, follow that same curve. Let's add in the fingers. From here, we're going to curve down, round out the thumb, and we're going to pull that up. At the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down again and curve up. We're going to add 3 fingers, curving around and up again. And then the final finger, we're going to go around and then pull that in towards the wrist. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Baroness von Bonbon from Cuphead. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.